A lot of people want to invest in overseas real estate. Very few actually do, because it's hard to know who to trust. Beautiful presentations, everyone's got those. Results, not so many. Singapore, closed format. Instead of sending another email with pretty pictures, we put 50 people in one room. Those who are already with us, and those who are still figuring it out.
We will first present what is our company, who we are. Everybody would understand the idea.
And here's what mattered. They were standing next to each other, talking to each other. The ones already earning returns were answering questions from the ones still on the fence. Dennis is the founder of Revolt Group. He still personally handles almost every investor, knows them by name. Today he was on stage. And after the stage, answering questions, explaining, listening, Philip and Nikita chose Novamis, a biohacking resort.
I've been associated with Revolt Group and Dennis for I think over 7-8 months, and I think I just love the clarity that Dennis has, and he has built a really strong team. So it's early days, but I'm very hopeful that things will only look better and stronger moving forward.
So my name is Nikita. I'm married to Philip Roy, and hence the investments, but absolutely love the clarity, love the people, love the warmth. I love how everybody is very open to ideas, brainstorming, open to any suggestion that we've been providing as well. So it's been fantastic from a partnership as well as the connection perspective as well. So thank you very much. Thank you.
So the doctor in this center with very modern machines can check your body, can check your system and see how your statement, your body, the nervous system, I mean even some organs, how they feel now.
And then Ayaka Yamada took the stage. Executive coach. Over 700 hours working with leader across Asia.
I was really looking for exciting new type of investment opportunities when I was really exploring end of last year. I thought I don't want to do another investment where I just possibly see my investment grow. Rather, I wanted to find an opportunity where I can get closer to the business, the team, and then also I wanted to find something that aligns with my passions. I'm a really long time competitive tennis player. Recently also started to practice padel. So I saw this opportunity in Bali on the Match Racket Club that combines both, but I didn't want to stop there because I wanted something more to it. So I proposed them. I want to invest, but at the same time I want to work with them to offer this mental performance coaching for their clients.
One of our investors, Dennis, got into Match Tennis Club. He waited, watched whether the team would actually deliver on what they promised. They did. So he invested again, this time in Novamis. A repeat investment is the most honest review you can get.
I've been to Bali a few times. I looked at different projects and I actually met Dennis and actually also went there sort of secretly to check out some of the development. So I was quite impressed at the time with some of the properties that they built. Obviously you provided free accommodation, but I went there as a paying guest because I really want to check it out by myself.
Okay.
And I actually had a good experience. So I got confident and then I started talking to the sales and Dennis and the people, and I decided to invest.
They didn't come in for square meters. They came in because they saw a model that'll still make sense 5 years from now. And they brought more than capital, expertise and connections. That's what we mean when we say community. Next morning, 4 Seasons, paddle court. The people who were asking tough questions about returns yesterday, today they're playing on the same team as the founders. Laughing, arguing about who had the better serve, taking photos after the match. 2 days, 50 people who could have put their money anywhere. They chose to be here. This was our first event in this format.